Hi event and meeting people, welcome to this video. I'm Federica from Rock's Event Staff, and in this video we will talk about 3 precious tips to hire event staff. If you enjoy complicating your life, try organizing a whole event by yourself. The truth is, no matter how many employees you have, planning an event will be a challenge, even if it's a successful one. This video, you can use it as support to hire event staff, and you will be on the right path for a successful outcome, I'm sure. Before starting, if you're looking to become a better event professional, subscribe to our channel now, clicking subscribe below this video. Whether you're looking for tips, advice, event trends, event news, we've got you covered. Finally, if you will enjoy this content, please let us know with a like. Here we go. Our 3 precious tips for hiring event staff will be about what responsibilities event staff has, where you can find event staff to hire, and how you can hire event staff. If you're interested in one of these specific topics, in the description below, you will find a direct link to each one of them. Number 1, what are the primary responsibilities for event staff? It's not always easy to assign the right responsibilities, Before thinking about hiring event staff, you should consider how your company's team is going to manage the event at the chosen venue. Here's some job roles you should take into consideration. The first one is on-site jobs. So on-site jobs are about tasks your employees can take care of at the event venue during live days. For example, check and scan entrance tickets, or information desk, kids assistance, family area, kids entertainment, anything related to kids, exhibitions and vendors assistance, or taking care of build-up and breakdown of the exhibition stands, and post-event cleaning. These are just a few examples. Then you could have a security team. You don't necessarily have to hire a whole private security company though. However, some extra help to keep the situation under control is always a good idea, depending on your event type and size. A third category may be sellers. Sellers are often third parties that you invite to the event. However, you can also hire your sellers to manage specific stands or event areas. And then we have event marketing. Managing the world of event marketing is not simple. You should hire a professional to manage your event marketing campaigns. 5. Logistic and event planning. What happens on the day of the event, hour by hour? What's the plan? What happens if a speaker doesn't turn up last minute? The bigger the event, the more event staff you need to hire. As simple as that. So our suggestion is, it's not a bad idea to hire event staff with first aid certification. Alternatively, you can hire certified medical personnel too. A 6th category is food and entertainment for event staff. When serving food, you need to hire hospitality staff and catering staff to cover these areas. And while attendees are eating, why not offering them some entertainment too? Here's a list of event staff you may need for food and entertainment, like kitchen staff. If you're not planning to hire a whole catering company, food won't appear by itself, Then you want to hire maybe some waiters. Depending on your event, you may need to hire waiters and waitresses. Otherwise, the situation may get complicated with everyone trying to grab some food first. We've seen it before, trust me. Welcome and seating areas is another thing that you need event staff for. Assigning seats, hiring an event hostess can be a classic touch, for example. You may want to hire a presenter for structured events, debates, auctions. An excellent presenter or moderator can be ideal for your event. Otherwise, guests may have to take the stage, introducing themselves in an awkward way, especially if they're shy. Here's our second precious tip to hire event staff. Where can you find event staff to hire? To hire event staff, you need to use the internet. There are two ways we recommend you use. One is do it yourself, DIY. Online portals allow you to DIY event staffing. This way you can manually do the research. In addition to that, you can post a job offer on many websites. Do you agree with me so far? What's your experience with event staffing? Let me know in the comments below. Then, after DIY, you can outsource through event staffing agencies. You are organizing an event. You have so much to do that even thinking about event staffing to hire makes you feel stressed already. So entrusting event staffing to an event staffing agency is very normal. This way you can leave the interview process to professionals. Event staffing agencies specialized in the event industry can help you hiring event staff using expert interviews created to hire the best team. In addition to that, they are already aware and can check all countries' hiring laws, right to work, payroll, and staff's health and safety at the event venue. So you won't have to worry about hiring a lawyer either. This professional support leaves you free to focus on your business. So our suggestion here is to describe your needs to your event staffing agency, and they will introduce you to the right candidates. So how can you hire staff for an event? If you watched last week's video on how to hire event staff like a pro, you might already know how to get the right people representing your company at any event. But if you're thinking of hiring event staff by yourself, it's not that different from a standard recruitment process. However, for events, job positions are temporary. Besides, event staff should have specific skills on how to manage exhibition stands or event security. As we mentioned in how to hire event staff like a pro, here are some suggestions on hiring event staff. Be descriptive. You need to write down the job description of what profile you are looking for, no matter how you are planning to hire staff for events. Job descriptions can be very creative and they are essential to this process. Once you've done that, we can talk about interviews. Event staffing interviews are complicated, even for the most straightforward job positions. It's all about questions. Here are some interview questions to hire staff for an event that we use. Can you describe your event experience? What do you like about this job position? What are your strengths and how do you use them when working at events? Or how do you take an urgent decision? There are so many others we could use that I don't want to overwhelm you too much with all this information, but I will leave you in the description below a link with the full list of questions that we use to hire event staff. Then we have to train the staff. Again, we talked about this in the same video called How to Hire Event Staff Like a Pro, which you can find in our channel. The main thing you need to remember here is that the training shouldn't be longer than 30 minutes, and you should share with your event staff the 5 main key points you want them to share with your audience. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, let us know and make sure to subscribe for more. Remember, we are all in this together, so if you found this video useful, feel free to share it to help other event people. Good luck with your event from the Rox Event Staff team. Take care.